Hello, everyone. Welcome to this week's video announcements. I'm here with Ben again. Hi, Ben.
Hi.
And we are really excited about this Sunday because there's a couple of great things happening. The first is our service. There's going to be an all-ages service, and we're going to be exploring our 6 sources. And if you don't know what those are, that's okay, because we're going to talk about that on Sunday. So come on Sunday and you'll find out all about our 6 sources, and we're going to be exploring them in a really fun, experiential way. And then...
I'm looking forward to the service, but then right afterwards we can go right to the crop walk. It's finally happening this weekend. Yay for the crop walk, and yay for all of you who have already volunteered, who have already donated online. I think we're at $2,200 towards our goal of $3,000 raised, and we're getting some folks who have committed to being on the walking team. Now,
I'll be there.
I'll be there. I can't walk the whole 5 kilometers, but I will walk as much as I can, and I will be the registrar, so I'll be registering you as you come in. And yes, you can do same-day registration, but I would prefer if you sign up online at the link below. The walk does begin at Temple Beth Abraham, which is 4 Raymond Street in Nashua, and the registration is from noon to 1. Opening ceremonies at 1.
And it's a super fun walk for the whole family. So people of all ages are invited to be a part of that. I think it's possible Olympia will be walking or riding.
Fantastic.
So we are looking for some people to take extra fellowship hour and greeting slots through the end of the year, and I'll put the link to sign up for those in the comments. We just have a few openings left, so we'd love your help if you're up for it. And we are going to be doing sign-ups for next year for Greeting and Fellowship Hour in November. So stay tuned for more information about that. Watch your email, watch these announcements, watch the newsletter. We'll have more information about that soon. On October 30th, which is about a week and a half from today, so a week from Wednesday, we're going to be having a public meeting with city leaders about affordable housing. This is hosted by the Granite State Organizing Project, and some of you were with me on Sunday as we had some deeper conversation about affordable housing in our community. You might remember I preached on it back at the end of September, and we are actually going to have a meeting with some city leaders, including our mayor. And it'll be an opportunity to hear some stories from the community about affordable housing, to hear from our city leaders about what they plan to do about affordable housing in the community and how we can have more of it. And anyone is invited to that. It's going to be here at our church in the dining room from 6 to 7:30 on October 30th, which is a Wednesday night.
And then that very next Saturday, were you done?
I am done. Go for it.
There's going to be our leadership summit, and that's going to be wonderful. I'm looking forward to that. It's going to be from 9 to noon, again here at the church, and we're just going to explore this big picture of what our church is. We're going to connect with members and friends who are serving the church in different ways and build our leadership skills. We're going to go a little bit deeper into our new congregational values, our mission, and our ends. Mm-hmm. And everyone is welcome to that. So if you're thinking, does that mean me? It does.
Everyone is a leader.
I think we're going to begin with a potluck brunch. Is that what we do?
Yes.
And so bring something to share, and then we'll provide the coffee and the tea.
Yes, and it's going to be really fun.
And there's a link below, I believe.
I'll put a link to where you can RSVP below. So that same day, because it's always good to fill your day with church activities, there is what's called the Spirit of Unity Dinner, and it's being put on by the New Hampshire Council of Churches. One thing that you all might not know about me is that I currently serve as president of our New Hampshire Council of Churches, and so I've been a part of planning this dinner, and I'm really excited for it to finally happen. It's a fundraising dinner, so we are trying to raise funds for the New Hampshire Council of Churches, and also to celebrate the positive impact that the council has had over the past year. One of the big things that the council has done in the last year is work on the death penalty repeal in this state, which you know that we repealed the death penalty here in New Hampshire finally after years and years of work. So we're definitely going to be talking about that and celebrating that at the Spirit of Unity dinner. And we're going to be giving an award, the Work of the People Award, to Barbara Keshen, who is the chair of the New Hampshire Coalition to abolish the death penalty. So definitely come out and celebrate her. We're also going to have a keynote speaker, Bishop Dwayne Royster, who works with Faith in Action, which is the organization that our Granite State Organizing Project is a part of. And he's a really dynamic speaker. I've heard him before, and he'll be a great speaker for that night. So it's Saturday, November 2nd. Reception is at 5. Dinner is at 6. It's at Brookside Congregational Church in Manchester, so not too far away. And I will put a link down in the comments about where you can buy your ticket. I hope to see you there.
Barbara Keshen's a member of the UU Church in Concord.
She is.
That's
yes.
Fantastic.
Yes.
On Sunday, November 3rd, because you'll want to do more activities after having done all that the day before. You're going to want to go bowling. It's the Family Glow Bowling Night from 5 to 7 p.m. at Leda Lanes and Amherst Street in Nashua. It's $5 per game, $3 for a shoe rental, and you should RSVP to Alice Intricasso. I hope I can go.
Yeah, that'd be great. And Alice wants you to RSVP by October 27th, which is Sunday. So that's soon. So definitely do that. The next weekend, we've got another great fun fundraising event for one of our community partners, and that's UU Action New Hampshire. UU Action New Hampshire is having a story slam on Saturday, November 9th from 6:30 to 8:30 p.m., and it is here in Nashua at our church, so there's no excuse not to come. It is going to be true, moving stories told in front of a live audience, which we hope includes you. There'll be food, stories, and fellowship while supporting UU social justice organizing here in New Hampshire. This year's theme is wholeness. I will put a link in the comments where you can get your tickets. And in case it's an extra draw, I'm going to be telling a story that night. I haven't planned it yet, but it's going to be great, I hope.
It's going to be true.
It's going to be true for sure, yeah. And the last thing we want to tell you about is Building the World We Dream About. So this is a curriculum that is being sponsored by our Racial Justice Study Group. And it is going to be starting next month in November. It'll run November through May, once a month, every third Tuesday from 7 to 8:30. And it's all about supporting Unitarian Universalists and our congregations to build the multicultural world of beloved community that we dream about by cultivating participants' knowledge, skills, and capacity to address issues related to race, ethnicity, and cultural identity, both as individuals and as a whole congregation. It's a really wonderful curriculum. I've heard amazing reviews from colleagues who've run it before. And it's going to be run for us by Sadie, by Jody Hallway, and by Jess Woods. They're going to be collaborating on that. We do need at least 10 people to sign up in order to run it, so I'm going to put the link in the comments where you can sign up, and please do sign up before the third Tuesday in November so we can make it happen. That's it. That's it for this week. But we are so excited to see you on Sunday for the crop walk and for our all ages service. It's going to be a fabulous day. And if you have anything you'd like me to include next week in these announcements, just send it in to me before 9 a.m. on Monday morning. Hope you have a wonderful week.
Bye.